Hello, I'm Toro, and today I got a couple of 5-packs that I found at the Walmart. This one I had already seen before, the Hot Wheels Sports. I really wanted this one because of the Subaru Brett. And this is like a newer one, I guess. It's from the Hot Wheels Legends. I want to be opening those up, but yeah, I've been looking for Hot Wheels and Matchbox and Walmart, Target, even at the 99-cent store, and nothing. It's been really empty. Also wanted to show this this Mustang. I had bought this Mustang, the top one, the 67 Ford Mustang Coupe. And it was like weird how it had like different wheels. So I did get another one. Yeah, I guess it was like a wheel error. Car sealed, brand new. But yeah, it must have been like an error from the factory. It's pretty cool. Keep those two together. And I also found this car the other day too. I think I had shown this one. This one's new for 2022. It's from the B case already. But yeah, it's the Skull Shaker. Purple Skull Shaker. Looks really nice. It says Ryu right there on the side too. And the special feature is just like the little figure moves, I guess. Like little head. Yeah, this is from Ryu's Rides. This is a Ryu Asada design. Which is like the Bone Shaker from Larry Wood. But in a tuned version, so it's pretty cool too. This is from the B case, so I think I found that one at the, at Target. I'm not really sure. And I've been buying some other toys like, especially like these tech decks. It's from the Throwback series, Walmart exclusive. It's the Zero board. It's got the list right there. This one's actually a ultra rare because it has a red dot. It's a little bit more rare than the other ones. Yeah, I just really liked it because of the Zero. That was one of my favorite skateboard brands. Yeah, let me just open these up real quick and we'll show them a little bit closer. I'll start off with the Hot Wheels Sports. It's just like the little packaging. I guess like different sports like skateboarding, surfing, mountain biking, climbing, and quads, motorcycles. That's the back part. I like to keep this little square right here. I just cut it out. The first one is the Skate Brigade. This is pretty cool. Little skateboard dude. It's the metal base, yellow wheels. It's got a design on the skateboard. Kind of like a tech deck. That looks pretty cool. And I also have a couple of Skate Brigades right here. This is the Steve Caballero one, the 50th anniversary. Look at that board. That looks really cool. It's a different board too. That's more of an 80s board. It's got like the big wide nose. This one's like the newer ones. And the bottom one is well, I guess like that one, but it's for like the Tokyo Olympics 2020. Skateboarding. Also has the same skateboard. Yeah, but I'm gonna keep this sealed though, because I really like this card, especially with the Steve Caballero autograph thing. I mean, it comes like that, but it looks pretty cool. This one because it's the Tokyo 2020. Just wanted to show those off a little. It's a pretty cool little skateboard though. Little plastic figure in it. Plastic skateboard. The metal base. This is the one that I really wanted though. The little Subaru Brett. It says Surf Club right there on the side. It's got a really cool design on the side. Chrome plastic base, metal body. It's got a really cool color too. It's the surfing edition one. It says Surf Camp on the back. It's got the 2 little seats right there. Yeah, it's a really nice little truck. Really like this one. And also I have another Subaru Brett. I've had this in my collection for a while now. It's from like 2014 maybe. Yeah, it's a really cool little truck. Really like the design on it. The colors and the sticker designs. That looks really cool. And let's see what else is the. What's this called? This one's the Tour de Fast. It's for like the bicycling, bike riding, mountain biking. It's got 2 bikes on the top. It's like a little fantasy model, I guess. It's pretty cool. It's got a nice color to it. Like a light brown, kind of sand brown. This is mountain biking. I think it's more like the designs that it has in the car itself. This one is the Rockster. Looks kind of like a Hummer. It's a little bit smaller than a Hummer though. Kind of looks like a Hummer H3 though. It says overhang. Like the rock climbing, I guess. Oh yeah, it says rock climbing right there in the back. See that? It's a pretty cool little car. Little truck. And the last one is a motorcycle. Little quad rod. This one also has a metal base. Plastic body. It's got like light brown wheels. Number 8. And this one I also have some that I had for like a while now too. This was new for 2017. It's a new model. Let me just open these up too. I don't know if I wanted to keep these carded. This is more of a burgundy color. Same kind of quad. This is from the 50th anniversary from like 2018. This one's nice, the green color. It's a really nice color. It's a little motorcycle. I got 3 different colors. Let's say I like the green one. The green color looks really cool. Those are the Hot Wheels Sports. This is like my favorite one though. And the new Hot Wheels Legends. Got the boxer here. This little garage right there in the back. Hot Wheels Legends. This one's the Diora 2. This one's really cool. I like this cast. It's pretty cool with the surfboards on top. Nice color to it. This has been a Hot Wheels design for a while too, I think. It's got that crazy style. And last year there was a regular treasure hunt for a Diora 2. It's almost the same colors, but it says Hot Wheels on both the surfboards right there. The wheels are different too. That's a little bit darker too. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Little treasure hunt. And the second car will be the is a Loop Coupe. It's the one that goes through the loop, I think. 50th anniversary, Hot Wheels. It's got the big wing on the back. I really like this color though. It's kind of like antifreeze color. It's a pretty cool design. I like this one. Little Hot Wheels design. I wonder if they have all these cars in the life size. I know they have this one. This is like a, this is the 2 Jet C. This was the winner for the Hot Wheels Legends Tour. I think the first winner too, like a few years ago. It's a pretty crazy design for a car made at, I guess it was some guy's house or something. But this one has like a really nice color to it. It's like a matte gray, almost like a satin color. Looks really cool. And I also have the 2 Jet C in a carded, well, from when it first came out. So I think I only got the first color because I know they brought out like some different colorways, that same model, but I think I just got the original one. And this was a custom 71 El Camino. It's got some big tanks right there in the back, like some turbines. This is like the Fast and the Furious style, right? I don't know, it looks pretty cool. I think I've seen this one too in the Legends Tour videos. El Camino. El Camino looks really cool. Matte black. It's got some red lines on the wheels. It's got the big turbines on the back. I wonder if those work. And the last car that I wanted to show from that 5-pack. This is the Chevy Camaro Special Edition. Check that out. It's a really nice color. Black line all the way across in the top. It's a really nice color too. I like this one. Becoming a big fan of these new Camaros, new style Camaros. This one has a really nice color. It's like a really bright blue. It looks really nice in the light. Yeah, it's really cool. It's really aggressive looking. Well, that's the new Legends 5-pack. And also had the Hot Wheels Sports. Mainly because of this one. Super Brett. That's pretty much it. Just a couple of 5-packs I wanted to show. I wanted to open my collection. And yeah, I've been trying to hunt down Hot Wheels, but I actually did go to the 99-cent store the other day and I found some from the Q case. But yeah, I already got, I think, pretty much all of them, all the good ones. So except for the Super Treasure Hunt, that's what I don't have. But yeah, that's a pretty cool case. But I really want to get some from the 2022, so hopefully soon. But these are pretty cool though. This new Legends 5-pack. El Camino's really cool. I gotta say the best one was probably this one for me. I really like this model. The surfboards on top. Had the regular Treasure Hunt. But yeah, this Camaro also too is really nice. I think they're all pretty sick. This one I like the color. 50th anniversary. The El Camino looks really aggressive. And the 2 Jet C has a really cool color too. It's like really sandy, matte gray, like satin gray. Well, that's pretty much it. A couple 5-packs. I had to settle with the 5-packs, but hopefully soon I'll find some from the actually all the 2022s, all the cases. Hopefully soon. Got the Subaru Brat. Well, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.